SUV sales accounted for 48% of all automobile sales in 2023, setting a new record and bolstering the movement toward bigger, heavier cars that defined the early 21st century automotive trend. This trend is being driven by a number of factors, including the popularity of SUVs as status symbols and the potential comfort improvements they may offer, as well as the marketing tactics employed by top automakers. With each new model that is introduced, they also become more fashionable, more effective, and more enjoyable to drive. Over the course of the next year, a large number of new SUVs with a wide range of features will be released, from the most luxurious option to the best value for your money. A sneak peek at what to expect in 2025 is provided here. Hi guys, welcome to Finest Vehicles. Today, we will look at the 10 most exciting SUVs coming in 2025. Starting off this video is the Audi Q3. Audi has been observed testing the new Q3 in the Arctic Circle, indicating that it has been in development for some time. The new Q3 will feature a wide front grille and slim LED lights, reminiscent of the Q6 e-tron. Inside, you can expect a design similar to the previous model, coupled with a variety of gasoline and hybrid engine options. Audi has been quite busy with the launch of the new A5 and Q6 e-tron this year, as well as the upcoming release of the A6 e-tron. Consequently, the new Q3 is expected to be unveiled in the first half of 2025. A completely new SUV entering the market is the BMW Neue Klasse X. Although the Neue Klasse X is currently a concept vehicle, it offers a glimpse into what the upcoming iX3 might look like. For the first time, BMW has separated the X3 and iX3 models, with the electric vehicle largely emulating the styling of the Neue Klasse saloon. This new SUV will feature advanced batteries that are 28% more efficient than those in the current range of BMW EVs, although specific technical details are still scarce. Next on the list is the Cupra Tavascan. While its name might sound like an indigestion cure, the Tavascan is actually Cupra's response to the Volkswagen ID.5 and Skoda Enyaq Coupe. The Tavascan boasts a sportier appearance than its counterparts and has a distinctive interior. It shares its range of motors with the Skoda and VW models, offering a flagship variant with 340 horsepower and all-wheel drive, and another model with 286 horsepower and rear-wheel drive. Another completely new SUV is the Dacia Bigster. This low-cost brand is diligently working on a larger SUV to replace the Duster. The Bigster will offer a range of gasoline and hybrid engine options, providing a competitively priced alternative to vehicles like the Nissan X-Trail and Skoda Kodiaq. The Bigster concept was unveiled a few years ago, and the new Dacia Duster already sports a rugged design. During testing, the larger Bigster SUV has been seen in public, showcasing a similarly robust design. We continue with the all-new Hyundai Ioniq 9. Initially unveiled a few years ago, the production model is now approaching completion. When it goes on sale in 2025, this vehicle will be an alternative to the Kia EV9 and will share many internal components with it. The Ioniq 9 is expected to feature a 100 kilowatt-hour battery with over 300 miles of range and will be available with a variety of single and dual motor power options. Next up is the new Kia EV5. Following the recent release of the Kia EV3, the EV5 is expected to be unveiled in early 2025. This new electric SUV features a design similar to the EV9 and EV3, with the exception of rear lights that have some Volvo-like characteristics. When sales begin the following year, the EV5 will be offered with two battery options, an 88 kilowatt-hour unit and a 64 kilowatt-hour pack. The latter is anticipated to have a range of nearly 450 miles, making it one of the most extensive EVs available. A new luxury SUV to enter the market in 2025 is the all-electric Porsche Cayenne. Expected to rival the BMW iX, the electric Cayenne will be unveiled alongside the current gasoline-powered Cayenne, which will also receive improvements for increased efficiency. Sharing many components with the Audi Q6 e-tron and Porsche Macan EV, the electric Cayenne is anticipated to feature a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack with a range of about 300 miles. Staying with luxury SUVs for a bit, The iconic Range Rover will soon be available exclusively as an electric vehicle. While the styling of the standard model will remain largely unchanged, there will be significant updates underneath the surface. Although the exact powertrain details for this Volvo EX90 alternative are unknown, Range Rover has stated that it will offer performance similar to the V8 model. With 530 horsepower, the electric Range Rover will be capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. Next, we have a smaller new SUV entering the market in 2025. A baby Skoda EV, known as the Epic, is on the way to provide customers with an all-electric alternative to the brand's Cayenne model. The Epic is expected to be one of the best value electric SUVs available. Skoda promises over 248 miles of range from the Epic, thanks to a 56 kilowatt-hour battery, and many parts from the Volkswagen ID.2 will be utilized. Sales are set to begin in 2025. Last but not least is the all-new Volkswagen T-Roc. One of the most popular vehicles currently available for purchase in Europe, the Volkswagen T-Roc, has been spotted in development testing. The design appears to be modernized rather than drastically different from the current model. The T-Roc will likely remain exclusive to VW's ID lineup, with no plans for an all-electric variant. It will probably be available with a comparable selection of hybrid and gasoline engines to those in the current vehicle. Which one would you like to own? Give your opinion in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe for more of the best new vehicle videos here at Finest Vehicles.